Hi everyone. In today's challenge, we are going to solve this problem. The problem name is find smallest letter greater than target, and the problem number is 744. Alright, guys. So first of all, we are going to clearly understand this problem statement. What this problem say. After that, we are going to move to the logic part. We are going to see how we can solve this problem, and after that, we are going to move to the implementation part. We are going to implement our logic in C++, Java, and Python programming language. Fine, guys. Now let's see what this problem say. Right. So problem say you are given an array of characters letter that is sorted in non-decreasing order. Alright guys, so one thing is clear that we are given with one array that is a character data type, right? And that characters in that array always gonna be non-decreasing order. So if you will focus over there in example one, then you can see we are having this letters array, right? And every we can say element in this array are characters, and they are in sorted in non-decreasing order. C is less than F, right? C is smaller than F, F is smaller than J, right? And a character target. So two things. Second thing is given nothing but target, right? That is also a character. And you can see in example one only that our character is A, right? Target is A. Now there are at least two different character in the letters. All right, so they are showing us that there will be at least two different character in this letters array. Fine. Now what we have to return the smallest character in the letters that is lexicographically greater than target. So guys, now they told us that we have to find the smallest lexicographically character that is greater than this target character. If such a character does not exist, return the first character in the letters. Alright, so if you did not understood this problem, don't worry, we are going to understand this example one, and you will definitely have a better idea here. So here guys, we are given a target A and letter of arrays means character. This is, we can say this array is nothing but C, F, and J, right? So these are three character, and this is our target. Now we have to find the smallest, which is greater than A, right? In this particular letters array. And if you will focus here, C is greater than A, right? C is greater than A. So let me just write here C is greater than A. F is also greater than A. J is also greater than A, right? So all these elements, or we can say all these characters are greater than our target, fine. But we need to find a smallest. Then you can see C is the smallest one, right? So we are going to return C. Here, I hope you are getting this particular thing, right? Now, second thing is nothing what we can say. Second example, we are given again CFJ array, and the target here just change with the C, right? So target is C now. Now, if you will see here, C is not greater than C, right? So the first condition is not satisfied. C is not greater than C, but F is greater than C, J is greater than C, right? So now, which is the smallest between F and J? F. So we are going to return nothing but F. I hope it makes sense, right? Now, the third example, we are given this array, right? And target is Z. So here guys, if you will focus here, none of the characters in this letters array is greater than Z, right? None of the characters is greater than Z. So we can say we could not find any particular character which is greater than Z. So we are going to return the first character of this letters. That is nothing but we could say X. I hope it makes sense, right? So this was the three example. I hope you understood the problem. Now let's move to the logic part, how we can solve this problem. And basically, I don't think here we need a logic, right? Because this is a very easy problem and statement based problem, right? But still, let's understand this how we are going to solve this, right? So we are given this lattice array, right? If you will focus in this example one only, that all the characters were greater than A, right? Now they are showing us that this is sorted in non-decreasing order. That means the first character is always be smaller than F, or we can say second character is always be greater than the previous one, right? So F will always be greater than C, and J also will greater than F, right? And that means we can say like this, right? So if we found a first character, means very first character which is greater than A, which is greater than our target, then we can say the rest of the character also will be greater than target, but they're also going to be greater than our current character, right? So you can see F is also greater than target, J is also greater than target, but these two characters are greater than our C, right? So we can say we need to find a smallest, then we don't need to go over here. We can directly return our C only. Whenever we are finding the first character which is greater than target, then we are going to directly return that particular character, because next of the character are going to be definitely greater than target, but not going to be smaller than our current character, right? We need to find a smallest character that is lexicographically greater than target. I hope it makes sense, right? So one thing is clear. Second thing is nothing but if we could not able to find any character, then we are going to return letters of zero, means zero index character. So first thing is nothing but traverse over loop. We can say loop traverse. And here, if you anywhere find a first, we can say the character which is greater than target, return that character. Return character if character is greater than target, right? Second condition, if you come out from the loop and you could not able to find the, we can say the character which is greater than target, so you will definitely come out from the loop. And here you can simply say return letters of zero, means we can say the first character, right? And here we are showing that the letter will always have a length greater than one, so this is not going to give index out of bound error as well, right? So let's go to our, we can say, browser, and let's implement this logic in C++, Java, and Python programming language. Fine, guys. Now let's see. So I'm going to increase the size first of all. Fine. Here, guys, what I'm going to do first of all here in Python. So we can quickly just say here for character in letters, if character is greater than target, right? So we can say directly return our character. But if it is not the case, so we can say return letters of 0, right? So let's run this code. And I don't think we should get error in this one, right? You can see all the test case passed. So let's try to submit this code as well. And here we go, guys, right? We have solved with Python. Yeah, it's not a big deal because it was a very easy problem, but it was interesting, right? So now we are with, we can say, C++. So here also we are going to do the same thing. We are going to say for character, we can say ch in our letters. If ch is greater than our target, we can say return our ch. And if it is not the case, so you can directly return letter of 0, right? Now let's run this code as well, see whether we are getting a test case pass. And I hope we should get, right. You can see all the test case pass here as well. So let's try to submit this code as well. And here, guys, you might be confused that how it is comparing with character, right? So in C++, Java, Python, they do, right? But if you want to do, we can say with the core concept, so you can use convert into ASCII value and then compare them, right? Now let's move to the Java. And here in Java, what we are going to do, we are going to say for character ch letter, let me write here letter. And here we can say if ch is greater than our target, so we can directly return ch, right? Otherwise we can return letters of 0. Now let's run this code as well. I hope it should also work, right? And here you guys can see that all the test case passed. Let's try to submit this code as well. And here we go. Here we go, guys, right? Fine. So 100%, right? Fine. So guys, we have successfully implemented our logic in C++, Java, and Python programming language. We understood the logic part. We understood the problem statement. If you have any kind of doubt in any of these sections, you can write in the comment section. I'm always there to help you. And if you learn something new in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video.